In this program, we are going to make the following entries in the respective vouchers in Tally. There are some vouchers in Tally like purchase, sales, receipt and payment, and we will proceed with this one. We have to create a company first of all. So Alt F3, create a company, and we can give any name. Here I am going to give RG Limited, and the state is Tamil Nadu, and we can give the relevant details as well if we require. If it is not required, we can skip the details. We have to finally accept the details, and once it is done, the company will be created. Okay, left side we could see that the RG Limited company has been created. However, the no vouchers have been entered. Here we have some transaction like purchase, uh, then other accounts. So we have to create the ledgers one by one. We can create either single ledger, or we can create the ledgers using multiple ledger option. Here I'm making use of multiple ledgers. One first transaction is purchase, so purchase is the ledger that comes under purchase accounts. Opening balance should not be given. Second one is it has been purchased from Morgan, so Morgan is our sundry creditor. It should be created as Morgan under sundry creditors. Then second transaction is paid salary. So the transaction is salary account data to cash. Salary account is an indirect expenses. So salary is created under indirect expenses. Next one is sold goods worth rupees 13,000 to Shiva on credit. Sold means sales, and it has been done on credit basis. So sales should come under sales accounts, and Shiva is our sundry debtor. Only one transaction that has two different accounts. Third one is next one is income of rupees 1,500 accrued on debentures. Debenture is an investment, so it is an accrued income on investments, which is a current asset. It has not been yet received. However, it is a current asset that is to be received. Next one is investments is to be created under investment account. Debenture is considered to be an investment. Next one is deposited rupees 10,000 into bank. It is a contra entry. It will be discussed later. So here it involves in two accounts. One is cash account and bank account. We create bank account under bank accounts. We need not create the cash account. It is a default account. Next one is sold goods. It has been already created. Here the transaction is for cash. It means cash sales. We should not create the Raman account since it is a cash sales, and cash is a default account. That is a default ledger available in the Tally. Next one is purchase, already created. Withdraw from bank, already the bank account has been created. Received rupees 8,000 from Shiva, that is also Shiva account has been created. And the final one, Morgan account has also been created. So we end the creation of ledgers. Next, we have to make the vouchers. First transaction is purchased goods worth rupees 18,000 from Morgan. It comes under purchase ledger. If it is like an invoice, we have to make it as voucher, which gives you debit and credit aspects. We should change the period, which means 1/4/2025 to 31st March 2026. This is the accounting period, and we have to give the journal entry. The first transaction is purchase account debtor to Morgan account. In the credit aspect, Mohan should be there. The amount of purchase is rupees 18,000, and the debit aspect is purchase account. We have recorded the first voucher. Second one, paid salary. It is a payment voucher entry. The journal entry is salary account debtor to cash. Salary rupees 10,000 to cash rupees 10,000. third entry is sold goods worth rupees 13,000 to Shiva on credit. It is a sales voucher entry. It is related to sales voucher. So we select sales and we have to make it as voucher. The journal entry is Shiva account debtor to sales account. The sales amount is 13,000. Shiva account debtor 13,000 to sales account 13,000. Next one is income of investment accrued. So we have to make it as in the journal. So the journal entry is investment account debtor to accrued income. The 1,500 is to be debited in the name of investments, and same is to be credited in the name of accrued income. Investments account debtor to accrued income rupees 1,500. Next transaction is deposited rupees 10,000 into bank. It is a contra entry, in which transaction there will be only cash and bank aspects. So the journal entry will be bank account debtor to cash 10,000. Bank account debtor to cash. We can skip the denominations if it is not required. Then next entry is sales entry. That should be made in the sales voucher, but it is a cash sales, so it should be done in receipt voucher. Sales account credit, and we immediately received cash, so cash is to be debited. So the journal entry is cash account debtor to sales 15,000. Next entry is purchased goods worth rupees 12,000 for cash. It is a cash purchase, so it should be recorded in payment voucher. Purchase account debtor 12,000 to cash account credit 12,000. And withdrawn rupees 12,000 from bank. It is also a contra entry. So the journal entry is cash account debtor to bank account rupees 2,000. Next entry is transaction is received rupees 8,000 from Shiva on account of sales made. So it should be receipt voucher, cash account debtor to Shiva. So in credit aspect, it should be to Shiva 8,000, by cash rupees 8,000. And the last entry is paid Mohan rupees 12,000 on account. It is a payment entry. The journal entry is Mohan account debtor rupees 12,000 to cash 12,000. So we have posted all the entries. Now we can go to view the output under display. These are the transactions, we have recorded them. We are going to view the output display daybook. If we see the output, we can make it as an detailed one. Here are the transactions we have recorded. Thank you.